aloha, talofa, malo elele, kia ora, yaurana, bulavinaka, and how's it? Welcome to the Pacific Island Veterans Day dinner. I'm Utah Attorney General Sean Reyes, a proud Pacific Islander myself. I'm so sorry I can't be there in person with you today, but as you come together to honor the past and celebrate the legacy of our Pacific Island veterans and all veterans, I want to personally thank you for your continued dedication in remembering those who have served. In my position, I get to work with and support many military families. It is a great privilege to rub shoulders with these heroic servicemen and women. One of the most important groups with whom I work closely are Gold Star families whose loved ones made the ultimate sacrifice. As a Pacific Islander who has family members who have served in uniform, I can't express enough how proud I am and how deeply grateful I am for the sacrifice and service in our armed forces of all those of Pacific Island heritage. Our people are hardworking, brave, dedicated, and have a warrior spirit that is evidenced whether we're laboring in fields of crops, on football or rugby fields, or on fields of battle. As Pacific Islanders, while we're small in number, we have giant hearts, and the impact we make in our communities is great. We have contributed to the strength and exceptionalism of America in so many significant ways. One of the most critical ways is in the ranks of the military, through world wars, a forgotten war in Korea, Vietnam, the Gulf War, wars in Afghanistan and Iraq, and many other military interventions. To those veterans that we have lost in battle, we owe them and their families a great debt of gratitude. To those who survived but whose lives or quality of life was forever changed, we honor you and your families as well. And to all veterans, those who have passed and those who are still with us, we remember you. We pay tribute to you. And we know our freedoms and those of many allies around the world. Our liberties are still ours to enjoy today because of your service, because of your sacrifice. So again, I say, mahalo nui loa. Thank you so much to all veterans. God bless you, my Pacific Island brothers and sisters who have served, and God bless this great nation that you were so valiantly willing to defend.
Hi, I'm Governor Spencer Cox. I'm sorry I can't be there with all the distinguished guests, veterans, and friends at the Pacific Island Veterans Day dinner tonight, but I couldn't let this moment pass without expressing my heartfelt appreciation. The theme for this evening, honoring the past, celebrating the legacy, is a perfect reminder that our veterans have not only served our nation, but have also left a remarkable legacy of sacrifice, courage, and honor. To our Pacific Island veterans and all Utah veterans, your dedication and service to our great nation have been nothing short of extraordinary. Your sacrifices, your unwavering commitment, and your love for this country have made a profound impact on all of us. As we gather tonight, let's reflect on the past, on the challenges faced, and on the victories achieved. But let's also celebrate the legacy you have created, a legacy that inspires us to be better, to serve selflessly, and to cherish the freedoms that we hold so dear. I want to express my deepest gratitude, not only for your service, but for the inspiration you provide. You are true heroes, and Utah is immensely proud of your contributions. I know that your dedication will continue to shape the future just as it has shaped our past. From the bottom of my heart, I say thank you. God bless our veterans. God bless our great state of Utah. And God bless the United States of America.